Damas y caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, my name's Joe J. Jr. and welcome to another super cool pomade review. And in today's video, we are going to be reviving Shear Revival Crystal Lake Styling Pomade. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can see that. There it is. So right off the bat, you guys can see the packaging is very simple. It's not super complex or too flashy. The full container itself seems to be glass. The lid container seems to be tin. As for the smell, it doesn't really seem to have much of a smell. I don't know if this is supposed to be odorless, but I'm just saying there's not much of a smell to it. It's completely white. It's kind of like a cream. Yeah. Well, that's enough talking about it. It's time to review this. So, it breaks apart fairly easily out of the container. Gotta emulsify it, and so far it breaks apart relatively smoothly. It's kind of got like a fresh smell. Kind of smells like a pine tree, almost. I guess that would make sense. The cover does have trees on it. I think I'm gonna get a little bit more. Okay. It smells very fresh now that I'm actually emulsifying it and applying it to my hair. It seems like the hold is actually really strong. And like the texture isn't like unpleasant or anything like that. Seriously, look at that. That's actually pretty impressive. I wasn't expecting that. I'm gonna get some of this product off my hand before I start combing it. I'm actually, okay. Combing it through is a little tough. I will say that. Wow. Actually got a good amount of hold to it. But there is a lot of tugging though. I mean, so far, this one isn't bad at all. I mean, from what I'm feeling right now, the hold is there, and it's not like heavy. It's not a thick, heavy product. Seems relatively light in my hair, kind of like it's not even there, but there's a slight weight to it, I guess. The hold seems pretty good so far. I'm gonna try to adjust the brightness. Okay, there, now I can see a little better. So far, the hold looks pretty promising. I don't think I put too much. I think I put just the right amount for my hair. So you guys already know the drill. And if you don't, and if you're new, typically I rate these on a scale of good, bad, or okay. And this is a relatively new product to me, so I'm very curious to see how this turns out. Anyways, I'll be right back in probably a few hours, or I might just go along the rest of my day. But judging by the hold that this has given me so far, I'm gonna push it and see. I'm gonna go through the rest of my day and we'll see what the end result is later. Alright, I'll be back. Damas y caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. And before I rate this, I think it's time to sort of talk about this product. So, first impressions, once I saw it, I was like, wow, the packaging is pretty simple. It's unlike anything I've seen before or had before, because as you guys have already seen, all my other pomade reviews have been all plastic containers, and this was the first glass one. The product packaging was simple. You know, I paid like 20 bucks, almost as much as I paid for American Crew. If anything, I'd say this is the most expensive pomade I bought before, so I had a few expectations at least. And so far what I can say is I was kind of disappointed with it. Now, I know this was recommended to me And you guys already know what I say with all of my videos, that this is completely my opinion. But I honestly just really didn't like this, and you guys can already guess what I'm going to rate it. But first, I might as well explain why. So I applied this product just like every other pomade. And you guys can already see it gave me a lot of shine. And it kind of just got my hair stuck in one way. But the problem is, no matter how many times I combed it, I just could not get it the way I wanted it. I tried washing it off and starting again, but it was just the same thing. And that's also why this video, or today's specific video, I ended up lasting longer with the product in my hair, because I washed it out the first time because I thought I wasn't applying it properly, but I ended up getting the same result. You know, it feels very slick, kind of sticky on the surface, and underneath it feels dry, like completely dry underneath. Something I noticed after a few hours of having it on is it kind of looked as if I had hairspray on. The hair was very sticky, and even when I try to like fix it up, it's still very resistant, and it just goes right back to the way it was pretty much. The smell, I noticed that it was like non-existent. After I emulsified the product and put it in my hair, I noticed it started to smell kind of like pine, and then more of a citrusy smell. I was really excited because this looked like a really cool pomade. I was really excited, but the end result, it just didn't really sit well with me. And like I said, this is completely my opinion, and if you guys feel that I didn't justify your product well enough, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And if you guys would like for me to review any other stuff, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And if you guys have any ideas, you already can guess where to go. But so far, if we were to rate it on a scale of good, bad, or okay, I'd have to say this is a bad product for me. Anyways, damas y caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you guys are having an amazing day, because you guys are all amazing people. I hope you guys are staying safe and everything. You guys already know. And if you guys would like to make my day even more amazing, check out these videos right here and subscribe down here. Anyways, I'm out.